Hi, I'm Nilima. I come from Mumbai. I have a studio called I Got Fired, out of which I do a lot of ceramics and pottery. I set this up in 2020, right in the middle of COVID, at a time where we had enough mental bandwidth to start practicing new crafts and hobbies. So I Got Fired is completely a result of all of that. I'll just talk a little bit about my work. So this range over here, this is all tableware. I've made it in really bright poppy colors, colors that I don't usually work with, but I enjoy working with them all the same once in a while. Bowls here, they are very good for salads, soups. I have decorative vases. These are extremely good to keep flowers or just a bud. Really large table platters. They are extremely heavy, but they make very nice cheese boards. They are extremely good as centerpieces in a living room. I have very nice pitchers and pourers that are very functional for things like sake and cold tea. Then of course there is a lot of beautiful tableware in the forms of decorated edges. I also have a nice wide range of sgraffito vases. This is a very special technique where we take a knife and we carve these designs and then we color them. So this is a very beautiful hand pinched technique. I also have some really beautiful small bud vases which make very nice decoration pieces for tables, study areas, kitchen windows, bathrooms, windowsills and all of that. It's just enough to keep one bud inside and it's good to go. I also have some very special anagama pieces. Anagama is this particular technique. It's a wood firing technique from Japan. It is done using 6 tons of wood. That is where the pieces are fired for 5 nights and 6 days continuously. And what you see in the back and in the front is the molten ash of the wood that covers the piece and glazes it. This is very different from the tableware that I do in an electric kiln. This is electric fired and this is ash fired. Then I also work with scented candles. They come in different shapes and sizes again. They make very nice gifts. They smell really good. They are made from soy wax and essential oils. Then I have small platters like this. These are very good for bread loaves, pastries, kebabs, or just simple centerpieces for tables. Then we have these lovely wind chimes that make very beautiful sounds. They are very nice when they are hung in outdoor spaces. We also have very nice wall art. This was a smaller piece, this is a larger one. They make very nice decoration for tables as well as walls in small awkward spaces which need a little bit of brightening up. These are made from small pieces of ceramics. Each of them is individually glazed, smoothened, fired, and then they are put together as a work of art. This is a very beautiful leaf platter. It is inspired obviously from nature and the trees that we see around us. It makes again for a very nice centerpiece and works very well for food. these are tall vases. They also work very well to keep kitchen spoons and ladles. It's not just for flowers, it can be used in different ways. And this is a technique where there are two different types of clays that have been fused together to create this texture. This large piece has been inspired by the ocean. The ocean is bright blue, beautiful. You will find the water and the sand by the seaside and the oceans. This piece is a result of that inspiration. It is again very, very beautiful to keep in living spaces, in bedrooms, in bathrooms. It just brings about instant calm and serenity wherever it is placed. It is made using a hand-pinched coiling style where you have to build up the layers one over the other till you reach the top, and then it is glazed with 3 different types of glazes, one over the other. This is again a very interesting flower vase with a very unique mouth, and it has been painted, hand painted and hand sculpted. It's made on a wheel, but it has also been hand sculpted from the top, and that's how it looks. This is my centerpiece, my showstopper. This is a piece that I really love. It has been very difficult to create it, but because each leaf has been separately attached, and if you see, there is a lot of carving that has been done over the paint right inside till wherever the hand can reach. It is very unique. All of this handcrafted work of mine is available on my Instagram page. It is called I Got Fired, Ariat Nilima. Please find me there, follow me, like my work, and cheers.